Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Twitch affiliate marketing using referral links. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Twitch account. Navigate to the affiliate section in your dashboard. Review the requirements to ensure you meet the criteria for becoming an affiliate. Once confirmed, click on the apply button to start the process. Fill out the necessary information, including tax and payment details. After your application is approved, you'll gain access to the affiliate program features. Now, locate the affiliate tab in your dashboard. Click on it to find your unique referral link for Twitch. Copy the affiliate link provided. Next, choose products or services that you want to promote. Explore affiliate programs that offer products popular among your audience. Sign up for those affiliate programs to receive your specific referral links. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of each program. Return to your Twitch dashboard to add your referral links to your channel. Navigate to the About section of your Twitch profile. Paste your affiliate links in the description area. Provide a brief explanation of each link for your viewers. You can also create panels below your stream for affiliate promotions. Keep the panels organized and visually appealing for better engagement. Consider promoting your affiliate products during your streams. Interact with your audience to share benefits and features of the products. Use social media platforms to widen your reach. Share your referral links there as well. Engage with your community to build trust and rapport around your recommendations. Monitor your analytics to see which links are performing well. Adjust your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Stay updated on new affiliate opportunities to continually refresh your offerings. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your viewers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.